Hi, this is David from Avrion, one of the Maximizer specialists on the Avrion deployment team. In this video, we'll look at the updates and changes to the mobile app. The Maximizer mobile app has been available for Maximizer users for some time now, and we're pleased to announce with the June 2020 update to Maximizer CRM, the mobile app has now got some really neat features available that I'm going to share with you. Having successfully logged into the mobile app, you'll be presented with the Today's Business page. This provides you with an overview of your tasks and any appointments you've got scheduled for the day. First new exciting feature you may have already spotted, the ability to add an appointment or add a task via the mobile app, something we can never previously do. I can now also open up my tasks. Yes, review them, but also now complete them. Now let's take a look at the address book module. Previously, the mobile app only provided a read-only interface to your address book entries, but you had the ability of writing a note. With this new update, not only can you now edit those entries, but we have a new add button that allows us to add new individuals, new companies, and new contacts to the address book. Very useful when you're out on the road and you meet a new contact during a customer or prospect meeting. If we open up one of our address book entries, our Details tab shows us all our contact details and our contact points. Our phone numbers, they're clickable, that will dial via a mobile device for us. Click on an email address, that will send an email through the native email application on your mobile. You have visibility of all your key fields, and if we scroll further down we have a nice handy map, shows us the location of our customer. Clicking on their address section here, that will actually load up the Google Maps app, and if we want to, we can use it as a sat-nav to take us there. Historically, within the mobile app, we could see items such as opportunities and notes. But you'll now also see some new modules have been added, like the customer service and related entry sections. And guess what? Yes, we can now view, edit, and add to those modules. That's great for adding that new opportunity post-meeting into Maximizer, or even reporting a fault that a customer mentioned to you on a call. Get that case assigned to a customer service representative and have them working on it straight away. Just a couple of more hidden gems I think that you might be really interested in. One of my favourites is the Near Me and Map features. If I run a save search and produce the list of just my customers, I can change Maximizer from a list view to a map view. My records are now displayed in an interactive map. If I click on the map points, it shows me that particular entry, and then clicking on its name takes me straight to that address book entry. We also have a handy Near Me feature that will look at your current GPS location and again map point any records from the address book that are close by. The final item I'll leave you with is the new import feature that has been added to the mobile app. If you have any contacts on your mobile device and you wish to add them into Maximizer, this new import feature has been added to quickly upload them from your mobile into the Leads or Address Book module. By reading the contacts on your mobile, you can select who you wish to add into Maximizer. The import routine will check if that company does or doesn't already exist in the system. In this case, we can create our new company first, add any additional data to the record before adding it. Having now added our company, we can now add Alistair Jackson as a contact to that organisation. Again, any missing information against Alistair's record we can populate before saving that record. I think you agree that the Maximizer mobile app has come on a long way since you may have last seen it. And that is just some of the highlights of these new features you've seen today. So when you get a chance, please visit the device's App Store, Download it and begin to reap all the benefits of accessing Maximizer CRM away from the office. Thank you for taking your time out to watch this What's New in 2020 video. Be sure to check out our others on our YouTube channel, our website, and our regular blogs.